Hi, I'm David and I'm back with another video, and today I'm talking about my Fluval FX6 that I'm running on this 120 gallon Discus tank here. I have 9 Discus and about 50 tetras and a pretty good load of plants. So, I haven't cleaned the filter in 5 months. So I thought it would be interesting to take a look inside and see what we have after 5 months of no cleaning. I'm starting with a tote tray, or you can use any kind of container as long as it holds about 5 gallons at least. And I'm gonna drain the tank into this as I'm draining the aquarium for a water change, so that I can use the aquarium water to rinse the filter media clean, therefore not to disturb any of the bacteria, etc., the good stuff that you want to remain on your filter media. Okay, I've turned off the heater, I've turned off the CO2, and I've turned off the Fluval FX6. I've connected this hose to the service valve at the bottom of the FX6, and I have the other end of this hose in the container where I'll begin to fill the container up, and once the container's full, I'll just drain the rest of it out into another drain. So I'll just turn this way. As you can see, the water's now draining out. And I am about to be filling up this container, starting now. I have my container ready with tank water here for rinsing the FX6 media. I also wanted to point out that I use an additional 5-gallon container of tank water for refilling the FX6 after I've drained it, because I like to use a particular amount of water for water changes. I've got that much prepared. I always drain the tank to a certain level and refill it back up with the prepared water, and I need this additional 5 gallons for filling the FX6, so I just saved it from the tank when I was draining it. Okay. Now that I have drained the aquarium to the level that I want for the water change, I've closed the valve on the bottom of the FX6 that we looked at earlier, and now I'm going to shut the valves on the inflow and outflow by turning them counterclockwise. And to remove them, I'll just press this button here and there while I wiggle them free, but I want to use a towel while I do that so that no excess water spills out all over the place. Got that one free. Got that one free. And now that I've got these off, I can drain the FX6 further by turning the service valve at the bottom, and once it reduces its weight because of losing water, I can pick it up and easily take it out back. Okay, so I've got a blue towel laid back there so that I can also lay down the trays and sponges and filter media and whatnot onto a clean surface after rinsing it. And let's go ahead and get started. Here we go. I'm going to open the FX6. I'm going to start taking out sponges, filter media. Let's take a look inside and see what we have after 5 months of no filter cleaning. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look inside. As you can see, it doesn't really look that bad. That might actually be kind of bad. Let's go ahead and rinse it in here and see how much dirt comes out of this in the water. Just kind of going to give it a squeeze. Look at that. It's nasty. All the water's turning brown just from one sponge. I'm going to go ahead and finish the process of taking media out, rinsing it out in the bucket, putting it on the towel, and reassembling the filter now. Now that the FX6 is back under the aquarium, I've reconnected the hose to the service valve, and I've reconnected the inflow and outflow valves. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and turn those back on. I'm going to open this valve here, and now what's happening is it's filling up with water. The water that I prepared for the refill is in here at the other end of this service hose in a 45-gallon container where I keep the water at the temperature I need it at, and filled it up with RODI. And now there's a small pond pump in the bottom of this barrel connected to this hose with a brass hose adapter and connected to this Python hose here. So now I'll just fill the tank back up from this container. Okay, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And please leave any questions, comments, or otherwise in the comment section below. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.